Can you tell which AED is new and which one is recertified? It's hard, right? The truth is, aside from being previously owned, a recertified AED is quite the same as a new AED. Where do recertified AEDs come from? While these devices are like new, they may have been sales demo units, a trade-in unit, or an AED that we accepted as part of our equipment buyback program. Will a recertified AED work? Just because an AED was previously owned doesn't mean they are any less reliable in a sudden cardiac arrest emergency. Each recertified AED from Cardio Partners goes through a thorough 10-point process to ensure the AED not only looks brand new, but also is tuned up and functions to the manufacturer's standards. Cardio Partners uses in-house manufacturer-trained biomed technicians for the entire recertification process. A few of the steps in the recertification process include performing software updates, performing functional checks to ensure the AED will deliver shocks when needed, confirming that visual and audio prompts are working properly, and installing new pads and batteries. The first and most important value in owning any AED is that it will offer a victim suffering from sudden cardiac arrest a greater chance at survival. So who should purchase a recertified AED? Someone who purchases a recertified AED may not need some of the features that come with some new AEDs. Another reason that someone would get a recertified AED is that they are priced lower than new units and give you the opportunity to stay in budget. To learn more or to purchase a recertified AED, head over to aed.com or speak with one of our specialists today.